Go press the button.
I pressed the
We're
button.
inside
It's the button is pressed.
the matrix. We're matrixing. We're matrixing right now.
Same.
Silence.
You guys wanna?
Welcome to
start? I was kinda hoping.
the kitkast.
I don't know the energy to do this fucking shit right now.
Guys, it's 8 o'clock. I'm so tired.
This is your fault.
Past my bedtime.
This
Shut
is
up.
literally your fault.
Shut up.
This is unbelievably your fault.
Mother's Day. No, it's Mother's Day's fault. And Big House's fault.
I was gonna say it is hilarious
Mm-hmm.
that you decided. Wait, were you busy all morning
Tomorrow.
today?
Today. Oh, I was not busy at all. No.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right. Never mind. No, it is your fault.
Well, but no.
Wait, no, wait.
You
What
guys
time
were-
did you message us though?
1 hour before you had to go.
Well,
So what's the complaint?
We could have done it in the morning.
Yeah, but
I'm
you
the
messaged us
same.
at 3
Oh, well.
p.m.
you know what? We got more weekend stories. Let's start a topic, guys. Come on.
I was gonna. I was just extending it by like 10 minutes. No wait. Yeah, I was extending it by like 10 minutes. Wait, was I? I don't fucking remember.
I don't.
No,
I
wait,
don't think
no,
we're
I
talking
wasn't.
about the same thing anymore.
Oh my god.
No. Jebster. Okay, time. This is times. We were originally gonna do it at like fucking 11,
Tomorrow.
and then Jebster said that no, we were gonna do 11 tomorrow. Jeb said no. I said today at 6. Jeb said sure, and then
And then
that
you
was when
said.
Sam's gonna get back from the.
You
I
said.
don't fucking remember.
You
anymore.
said that. We said
Yeah,
6.
no.
And
So,
then
so
it
you
was
said
fine.
at 11:30.
Oh no! Here. Oh yeah.
And then you
today or
said push to
tomorrow,
6:20.
And then I said I can't do from 4 p.m. till 6.
That's right.
So we could have done it in like the 3.5 hours, but no one suggested that for some reason. For some reason, you just went straight to 6 p.m.
Yeah, we did have a lot of
No,
time.
We
went-
delayed it 2 hours.
I went straight to 6. No, because you were gone till 6.
This is so
So
entertaining.
No, no,
what
yeah,
happened-
but
so
from
interested.
11:30 when you asked till 4 p.m., we could have done it any time there.
I was. I
Welcome
wanted to
to-
do it tomorrow.
Welcome to Kitkast. Welcome, guys. Welcome.
I don't fucking know.
Yeah,
Welcome.
We've been arguing a lot. We're like a
Well, yeah,
terrible
we're-
fucking.
We're siblings. We've been friends long enough. I think we're allowed to kill each other.
So much sexual tension to be
I know.
siblings.
Excuse me.
Every time I see Alex in real life, I just want to kiss him. I just want. Oh, did I
Seems
say
like
that out
having a
loud?
little
Oh,
No, the feeling's mutual. I'm not gonna push it all onto. I'd only ever push myself onto him physically, and I'd never push myself onto him
yeah.
emotionally.
He would assault me. I believe that.
Have.
Hey, he
assaulted.
has. Yes,
Feel like
correction. Has.
has assaulted.
Mhm,
We gotta be
mhm.
more and more.
We gotta be more
upfront
open with
the
our
truth.
fans.
Open with our fans. I'm just too fucking.
All right.
I mean, I am. I'll just get to what I have to talk about. I'll say what I want because I feel like we're not gonna go anywhere if we continue trying.
Okay. What do you want
I'm
to talk
sitting here.
about?
I'm waiting. I'm like.
Go on.
I'm like. I have things to talk. I'm gonna stop talking. I
Go
have to
on
keep touching
then.
my microphone now.
Mr.
I have-
Podcast
okay,
Master.
fine.
Come on, talk. Go. Say it.
I
Just say it.
talked to last time. I am. Let me
Come on, dude,
speak.
spit it out.
Come on, spit it out.
I,
When no one's interrupting you. Just, come on.
I have
This dude.
been. Okay, so last episode, I talked about how I wanted to text the person who made the original model of the model I currently use, so I could get the model, so that I could use it in Blender, or like in whatever, so I could use it for thumbnails.
Mm.
And they didn't get back to me for a while, so I didn't think they would, but they actually did get back to me. So that's cool. But I want to shout them out. Fuck off. No, I want to just say their name, for no reason in particular.
Credit them.
I don't know. It's Wrinkle.
Wrinkle.
I'll get their fuck.
What a. Sorry.
That's their name, bro.
No,
I don't.
it's
What the
alright.
fuck do you want?
Sorry.
Their name is cringe though, so I won't actually. No, their name's Wrinkle.
Wrinkle is just a
They,
funny word
big-
to me. I'm sorry.
Like, is that like their at?
Yeah, it's just their ad. Their ad is just Wrinkle.
Okay.
Wrinkle.
So they got the thing. And I'll probably do a voiceover where I shout them out more comprehensively. I don't really have the energy to do that right now. My keyboard's not showing up in my VR, so I can't really be fucked.
Mm-hmm.
dude, I am appreciative, but like I got them. So I've been making so I know if I say that I didn't make the model, it immediately discredits like, wow, so you didn't do anything, did you? No. They gave me the model, but because it'd been so long, the shaders were all broken. Okay? So I had to remake the shaders from the ground up. And also the model they had was the base model. This is an edited version.
You're wearing the
obviously.
edited version right now? Like the one that you edited?
No, I'm wearing... No, this is not the one that I've made. I'll show you the one that I've made in a second. I'm close. There's still a lot of things that I have to fix about it, and there is going to be one thing that's obvious. It's going to be the rigging for it, because we started the podcast, which, you know, obviously I was working on the thing for ages, so it was going to come in the middle of me working on the model. But like, I was in the middle of rigging a new standing position, and then we had to start, so I couldn't get that finished. So the rigging's a bit fucked, but aside from that, I'm pretty okay with it. Still a long way to go. But like, the one they had was all flat colors, so none of the little details that had on this one.
Mm-hmm.
Also, it's been kind of cool looking at this model close, but this where is it? Also, I had to change to a VR account. Has my name changed?
It is. It's KitKat
My-
Overkill.
Yeah, it has.
Okay, I've joined the... I liked KitKat 998 BBF, whatever the fuck it was. So,
Well, suffer.
this is the one that I made. As I just said, the rigging's fucked.
This is the one you
Uh,
made.
Is it working?
I-
Hold up, let me check
Is it? Is this the one that you made? Are you sure?
Yeah, this is the one that I made. So this is the...
I noticed the like the lines, the outlines are less vibrant.
Yeah,
No, I think
no,
that's just
okay,
the
so-
post-processing in this world.
here's the difference. Here's the shit that's broken or not working about this model.
Mm-hmm.
For one, I have to... So I was working on the outlines as well, because the only thing that I'm pretty sure I can get everything working. And yeah, see, you can literally see the hand through the thing here. But no, so I got pretty much everything about this model working, except like I have the thing mapped out in my mind.
Mm-hmm.
The only thing I have left that I don't think I can do is... So on the... I'll go back to the other model.
Mm-hmm.
Where the fuck was it? Yeah. So this one, the outline, you'll notice it moves. So it like changes color.
But you didn't change for me.
For one,
You didn't change at all. Did he
I did.
change?
He did, but it didn't do like the avatar loading or whatever. Because
Okay,
we've already downloaded it locally.
Okay.
so this one,
Uh-huh.
the colors change on it. They shift. And I thought this was going to be simple, like it would probably just be a texture thing in Unity. Dude, I cannot figure out for the life of me. I think it's a Blender thing, because it's genuinely...
The outline?
I can't find... Yeah,
Yeah,
no,
the
I know how
outline-
to do the outline. I've got the outline finished. The outline, having the outline's not the
Okay.
issue. The fact that it changes color and has an animation behind it, that's where I'm stuck. I was wondering, because you're actually good at this.
The fact that what
uh,
changes and has the what? Huh?
the
Just
color,
the
so do you see-
outline.
look at my
So
hand.
like it looks
Okay,
like
yeah, I
it's
can see it.
moving.
Yeah.
Look at it. It changes color. Look, blue.
Yeah, it's
Yellow.
blue. It's still blue.
Wait.
Oh, now okay,
It's-
yeah. So it's moving like around.
Look, okay, it's look.
Yeah,
look,
yeah.
I'm not
That's-
usually like this. Okay, I'm
that's-
not usually like this.
That's a Blender thing.
It's a Blender thing.
Yeah,
Okay, okay, good, or not good actually. I would prefer that it would be something in Unity. But do you know the exact specifics of it?
Not the specifics, but if I had a look at it, I'd be able to figure out which one it is.
Okay, so it's been fucking hell trying to get it. Like, I'm happy with the current state that it's in, because honestly, I think it looks pretty almost finished. Like literally, like I redid the here texture. Dude, that was hell. Oh yeah, my hands don't fucking work anymore. So
I need to see this in
doing
like
a
a better lighting because I can't tell the difference.
Okay, all right. How's this?
That's better. Yep.
Okay, so I'm here. What the fuck is going on with Sam?
Dude, I cannot for the
know.
life of me close this fucking menu thing. I'm struggling.
So,
I forgot how to
okay.
do it before.
You hold down on the thumbstick. Right thumbstick.
So yeah, I
Okay,
definitely have to
thank
make
you.
the outline a bit thicker.
Mm.
So this is the model that I made,
Okay.
and this is the one that I usually use. It's funny. This model's actually
Can you
taller than
switch
the other
be-
one,
like,
but it has.
Can you switch between them like rapidly?
I can try. I can
Like
switch between them as fast as. Hold up. All right, I'll try.
So there, he switched because he goes
This is-
to a
Yeah.
default position.
I can't. What's the difference? I'm
So
supposed to.
the only visible difference
okay,
that we can
here's-
see is the outline. So the original one has motion.
the-
It has an animation. His one does not have an animation. It's a static thing.
One,
So you can
one-
see
one
here,
big
it's
difference.
not moving.
Right. Okay.
One different. If you look at my here, there's like a white line
Yeah.
Like
above
the
it?
highlight.
Yeah.
on this one. There's a white line.
Yeah.
on
There's a
my here.
highlight. Yeah.
Yeah, so that it's low quality. One big difference that I'm happy with is that on the new model, it's actually a much higher quality.
So this is your new one?
Yeah.
I mean, I can't tell the difference because I'm in VR, and obviously the resolution's terrible. But
The tail is
I'm
still
happy
detached,
that-
though.
Yeah, no, the tail doesn't have any physics on it, and also it's a different color. So
No,
The-
wait,
no,
so
I
wait,
mean-
is this your model?
yeah, this is my
It
model.
has physics, but it's just not attached to you. It's just like floating.
Yes.
It's just like
It
separation.
has physics.
Yes.
yeah, it's moving. Wait, come here as well. Wait, hold on. Actually, we can. I forgot that VR chat has tools for this. Avatar overlay.
And actually, looking at it again, it does look like the
Cyber.
highlight of the outline is actually
around.
moving.
Turn around.
Yeah,
No, no. Okay, so it's changing color.
yeah,
It's not moving though.
no, it
That's the
is
difference.
it is moving. I see the orange going. Now it's going up again, slowly.
I don't trust you.
Well,
I
no,
don't
no,
think
no.
that
So, I mean, so how are you viewing when you're testing the model? How are you viewing yourself? Is it with a mirror? Because mirrors,
Yeah.
okay, mirrors do not show everything. That's
Hmm.
why. So I have some models which I can look at a mirror and it'll show stuff that like I can look down and see shit happening, but I look at a mirror, it's not displaying. So that's why you
No,
should
it's
use
'cause
a
the-
second account.
The
Like
border here,
literally.
I think what you're looking at is the border is what the fuck? It's still textured. There's still an image behind it. The image is changing color, so you might just be seeing two different colors changing color at the same time. That makes it almost look
So
like it's.
You want this to
moving.
change color, or you don't want it to change color?
I do want it to
You
change.
do want-
color.
well, it's changing color.
Yeah, it is.
But I
changing
want it
color.
to change color in like an animation. Like
Yeah.
look. Okay, go back. Let's go back to the other one.
Like
the
what
other one.
No, so
animation?
like there'll be like blue and orange, and the blue is slowly overtaking the orange.
Yeah,
Like
it's like a
not
snake.
just turning into orange; it's moving.
It's like
I gotta see this shit.
I don't know if
it's
it'll
like a
show in the mirror. That's because some stuff does not display
This isn't a
properly.
mirror. This is my camera.
use your
Some- one-
personal
guys.
mirror.
Yeah, no. So some like the local like view stuff like does not properly show what
What is
other
this?
people see.
I got an iPad.
So cameras
an iPad.
and mirrors don't show what other people actually see.
Yeah,
I gotta stop.
you're definitely
How-
changing
how-
color. Also, so
Well, I know I'm changing color.
And it's moving is what we also this is a I can't wait. This is
my-
yeah,
wait,
this is
this
not
is
a
my old-
podcast
this is my-
thing, but
That doesn't matter. This is for the fans. Okay, no one watches this fucking shit anyway.
okay,
But
and then
let's go.
this one is the new
Hold up.
new one or the old one?
This is the new one. This is the new one.
Okay,
I don't think
so
it's
come back,
moving. I think it's just changing color.
come
no,
back.
I mean I can see I can see the blue moving on your right hand.
Yep, I can see it moving as well. It's snaking.
no,
It's
no,
like
there's-
actually it's like it's going across.
Yeah.
Yep. It's
It's
like a
physically
snake.
moving. It's not changing color, it is moving.
Yeah. In like a cyclic
yeah,
pattern
like it's
around your
blue's
entire
going
body.
up. Yeah, the purple like
Yep.
that is very clear that purple going up your back.
Yep.
Now the orange
I'm looking at my hand right now. That's not changing color. That's
from
the
what we
fuck?
can
Hold up.
see,
Mm.
from what me and Jibster can see,
Well,
we
no-
both agree that it is not changing color, it is moving.
Yeah.
okay.
Screenshot
Well,
there.
One color overtakes the other color, and that color that got overtaken moves to the next color.
yeah, no, it is just hue shifting. I know that it's hue shifting.
No, yeah,
But
no,
the
no. We're
difference-
talking about it's moving. It is literally like on your back. There is every now and then there's a very prominent purple that comes, or even now
Mhm.
we take a
There it
screenshot
goes.
there and take another
It's going
screenshot
now.
there, and then another screenshot there, and I'll look at them later, and then send it to you. But it is literally moving.
Yeah.
It is starting at your
the
booty cheeks and it's going up your spine to your neck.
Mm-hmm. To your brain think
I'm just
box.
gonna look at my hand. No, hold up. I need to find a spot where, because it is, as I just
Check
said,
on
it is
the
a
check on the
texture.
original model because it might just be for the hands. It doesn't
So
change
here's
enough.
the thing. Here's the thing, though. On the
Well, no, it
original
looks
model,
to
it
be
is
fine.
definitely
It looks fine.
on the original model. It's definitely a video, or it's definitely like a GIF or something. Because if you look at there, you can see shapes in the it's not just lines. It's not just hue shifting. Like you can see.
Yeah, so
like,
this is a
little-
lot. This looks a lot faster than the other one, but the other one was doing that.
Yeah, just all
Where's
slow.
or something similar. Maybe it doesn't have the shapes because I
No, see, look
didn't
at
even
my-
know that the shapes were
There's
in
there's
it.
nothing
my
to argue
legs.
about. Sam and I are
They're-
seeing what we're seeing.
Yeah, we're
It's
seeing.
very
you're
We're
seeing
telling
what
you,
you're
we're not
seeing.
trying to
Don't have my-
gas.
I-
We're not trying to fucking
Yeah,
girl
we're not
boss
trying to gaslight you.
We're just.
We're just telling you what we're seeing.
I gotta get my camera in here.
The camera.
Hey guys, now you guys can.
Okay.
Hey,
feel
you
like the
guys in the
camera would be able to
comments,
see.
tell us who's
Well,
right.
no, it doesn't though.
When you look at this,
Do I have a model
and
that
where's
might
a-
show the stuff?
Yep, it's
where's a
moving.
good? Yeah, so you see that? See that? The yellow. So okay, the blue here. There's a little bit of blue and a little bit of blue and a little bit of yellow.
Mhm.
And it's like you can see very obviously the difference between the. This is so difficult with how fucking outlines work. Look, it's going up my arm.
Yeah, so it's moving up your arm.
Yeah.
I gotta increase the outline on. I'm opening up fucking Unity while I'm in the podcast.
This is not a podcast
Fuck this.
episode.
Fuck this shit. Or back to podcast mode. I'm going back to my
Well,
corner.
no, this is
until there's
interesting
something else
stuff. It's like
now. This is interesting, but I don't think it's working.
Yeah,
as a
it's
pod-
yeah. That's what I say. It's for the fans. Ooh.
what's pose for the fans. Content is content. Game is game. Oh, there he goes. Where's he going? He's left us.
He has.
Well, we've taken over this podcast episode. Oh no,
I'm back.
there he
I'm
goes.
back, I'm
He's
back.
risen from the
Resurrected
dead.
Oh.
Resurrected from the dead. I'm back. Okay.
Oh, you're back.
I just,
I did it. I
I'm
did
just gonna
it.
stand.
Oh.
I'm standing next to chip stacks.
What the fuck?
Okay, I also just want to say final or second thing actually. I don't know if it's my final thing, but certainly my second thing. Second thing, is I have done it. My life is complete. I'm finally fixed my computer. This is the final time I have to talk
No
about this. The
way.
final time you guys have to hear me say anything about my computer. It was
Oh fuck.
the motherboard.
Actually, I have a question
was
about that.
The mother.
So,
Yeah.
for the CPU that you gave them, was
Yeah.
that? Do you know that that was the CPU's fault and not?
I have no fucking clue about that because the thing is, right, is I still handed in a CPU to them and they still said that it was broken. So I think here's what I'm not saying this is the answer, but what I'm thinking it might be in my head is that I think the motherboard was broken. I think what it was doing was it was overheating the CPU, and I think that by overheating the CPU too many times it broke the CPU.
Why are you behind?
How was the motherboard overheating the CPU?
Because the motherboard was broken, so it wasn't. I don't fucking know. Like, what do you want me to
Sad.
explain how a motherboard works to you?
Yes.
I don't fucking know.
I mean,
never
from what I can see, it could just be that both of them were broken.
That's what I'm saying. Like, that could also be a possibility. They could also just both arrive broken. I don't really have any way of testing out.
Yeah, I
what the
mean,
fuck had happened.
computer problems are such a fucking mystery, and like it could be literally anything. Like that. That's why. I mean, when you asked me, you know, should I get a new PC or a new motherboard? A, I literally have no idea what your symptoms are, and B, it could literally be anything. It could be like a hard drive. It could be a single like notch or like a trace on your motherboard that's just been scratched off. Like I literally have no idea, and it's almost like
Yeah.
the motherboard
It
that
was-
I
it
originally
was-
had the only physical damage was in the corner, but that didn't affect any traces, didn't affect any components. But somehow that I don't know if it was that might be unrelated, but the motherboard was dead on arrival. Anyways,
Oh, this is so funny. We've both gotten dead motherboard, or we both had broken motherboards by fucking Computer Lounge. That's
well,
crazy.
no, but
Yeah,
the
and
thing
I've-
about it is
I've
that
just
the
broken
motherboard that I
my
had is very
CPU.
notorious for just being dead on arrival. Anyways, from Asus or wherever I got it from, I can't remember. Gigabyte, whatever.
Whoa.
Seems
So
like-
you
Mine's
got a
mine was a
refund, right?
gigabyte board, and I got a refund. Kind of. No, not really. No, I didn't get a refund. Actually, it's just a no. I just bought a new motherboard. I don't like gigabyte. No, I now have just a broken motherboard, which I'm debating what I should do. What do you guys think I should do? Should I go back to Computer Lounge? And the thing is, they don't do refunds. They only do swaps.
Well, then
So,
swap it for
I could
something
go
that's
back-
working and then sell it.
No, you swap it for the same thing. I mean, I could sell it.
Yeah,
I could sell it.
You could sell the broken one and disclose that it is broken. Because
Who's
some
gonna
people
buy
buy
it?
like broken GPUs for like parts and stuff. Or some people just like buy broken CPUs even. I don't know why, but I mean, do you living
Technology.
maybe? They don't work.
D-lid practice.
I've got
Yeah.
a CPU with like one pin missing. If anyone wants that,
Hit me up. You know, here's my Facebook.
Literally
Honestly,
just
I wouldn't
one
mind
pin.
that.
Literally just
Honestly,
one pin.
I'd take that. I'm not gonna lie.
I could prepare it myself. I reckon. Right?
Repair it?
There's no way I couldn't repair that. Right?
I mean, I feel like if that was the case, then more people would
It's
do
one
it.
pin.
You wouldn't hit.
It's
You wouldn't hit. Well, the thing about it is that pin could be just like a, that pin could be like a non-important pin anyway. It could just be like a grounding pin.
Trust me, Sam. I tried figuring out what pin it is. Supposedly it's a grounding pin, but when I tried putting it in my computer, it didn't work. So I'm assuming it's something more. I've got it's a Ryzen as well. It's not an Intel, so
I mean, it should not matter.
yeah, it should.
No, I mean pin-wise. Pins are pins.
Yeah, but Intel doesn't have pins. Their motherboards have pins.
No, but what I'm saying is that the pins for Intel and pins for... The only thing that's different is the actual
There are no
architecture
pins
of
on
the pins.
Intel.
No,
There's no pins on Intel CPUs.
that's not what I'm saying though.
What are you saying?
I'm
You
saying
said
the actual. I'm saying the physical pins that are on
Okay.
the CPU for AMD
Okay. Yeah.
should not be any different from the ones that are used by Intel
On their motherboards.
CPU architecture. Yes, on the motherboard.
Yeah, no, I'm not saying the pins are different. I'm saying the what am I? What the? Never mind. I forgot.
You forgot.
I forgot. I'm done. We playing Voices of the Void recently, haven't we? That's been fun. Alex, you should get into it. It's so fun. Honestly, it's free.
Voice of the Void?
Voices of
Is
the
it
Void.
another one of those like funny moment games?
No,
No.
it's no.
It's single player.
It's
unfortunately.
it's fun. I've been liking it. Sam's been liking it from what I can tell.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like I hear myself echo.
Describe the game.
Describe it. Okay, it's like
It's like Among Us.
So you're You're
What
a
do you mean, no?
researcher. No, you're a technician at a research center, analyzing signals and frequencies from like outer space.
Can I just say?
Yep.
Can I say the moment you said sig, my mind overrode
Oh my
itself,
God.
and I just heard sigma.
Oh my god.
You're analyzing sigmas.
my
and
God.
it's like
Yeah, we're analyzing
goddamn.
sigmas from space, and it's basically
Yeah,
like
we're
a, you know, like my
sigmas
summer
from
car. I was
gyatt,
describing it.
planet
So you don't know
gyatt.
my summer car, how it's a lot of like maintenance and stuff. It's similar to that.
Yeah.
So you do like you scan the sigmas in space, but then on top of that, you also have daily tasks. Well, you have daily tasks to scan the sigmas, but you also have daily tasks to go out to like transmitters and like radio towers and to sort of like get hashes from them or reset them. And it's sort of like a psychological horror as well, because
Yeah,
there's like
so the-
events and stuff that happen.
One of the biggest things is like the game is meant to the ambience and the atmosphere and the cognito hazards. Cognito hazards are supposed to make you.
I be cognito.
They're supposed to make you. Okay, let's just say I've been playing. So since I started playing the game, I've been playing it like a paranoid schizophrenic. So if
He
that's
literally
anything to
has.
go
He's been
by.
like he's literally been like seeing words in just like noise maps. I don't know how.
I've been.
He's seeing
I
faces in
feel
noise
like I
maps.
spent like at least 10 minutes trying to get I looked at the spectrogram and I was like, "There's something in there. There's letters in there." And Sam was like, "No, you're seeing things, man."
He literally
like,
is.
"That
Also,
looks like
it's sort
something."
of like it runs off like a pseudo source engine as well. Like it's not.
Yeah, it's
the
like
source engine,
they
but it's, like,
reconstructed the source engine
it
basically.
uses like
Have you tried
half-life
hopping out of
sounds.
bounds?
You can kind of b-hop. You can.
Yeah. It's actually pretty fun.
Backwards b-hop.
It's really good fun. I'll send you the itch page. It's free. It's got so much content for like what stage update it is. It's still being developed as well. It's an early access. I'll send it to you.
Pre-alpha 0.0.
It's
Zero
terrifying
something.
though. It's so terrifying. The gameplay loop is very entertaining, I've found. Basically,
Nice to hear.
You have to record the signals, and then you have to process them to like refine them, and then
You heard it as well.
Hey,
You heard it as
I-
well.
No,
Okay,
you
you
said
have to-
signals. I just thought of
you have to
you were
record
thinking of
the
Sigma.
frequencies, and then process them, and then send them off for points, which you can use for upgrades and buying items, which is cool. And I think there's like, if I looked at, hold on, let me check the itch page because I was trying to remember the numbers before, but I really couldn't, and I was kind of bummed out. Let me see.
Yeah, it would be cool if there's like a multiplayer mod as well, because it seems like it'd be a lot of fun. But
Yeah.
it would kind of remind me of Among Us, because
Mm.
it's space related and you have to do daily tasks, and then you could do a
Oh
bit
my
of
God.
sabotage and troll
Oh my god.
your friends.
Oh my god.
And you're analyzing sigmas.
You literally,
Yeah.
you can't.
Like the body scanner. What do you mean you can't?
The body, fuck.
Yeah,
Okay.
you're when you're
He's just not a
when
Sigma.
you're when you're sussing out the boys, when you're sussing out the boys to see who's the imposter, you're analyzing your sigmas.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Okay, so here.
You guys just hate
The
me 'cause I'm
game
right.
has 40 plus days and events and 150 plus possible signals, some Easter eggs and secrets. Hate you. Shut up.
I'm gonna call this podcast "Analyzing Sigmas."
Fucking Jesus.
We started the podcast by analyzing a sigma, and now we're talking about analyzing.
I'm gonna kill you.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Ah. You can make Kerfus robots as well. Oh no, you can buy them. You can buy Kerfus robots.
What the fuck's a you say that like I know what that is.
Search up
What the
Kerfus.
fuck is a Kerfus?
Actually, don't search up Kerfus. Turn on safe search and then search up Kerfus.
What is it? Is it like Doctor Who shit? Where it's like
Kerfus.
Ooh, spooky, spooky. Kerfus. Did you know that a Kerfus spooky? Kerfus. How do I spell it again?
Kerfus.
Kerfus. I feel like it's gonna come with like a fish or something. No, like I genuinely think this is just gonna be the
No,
name.
you've
It's
seen
just
it
a
before.
freaking robot.
You've seen it.
It's just a robot.
Yeah, but it's
Why would I have to use?
it's got like a cat face on it.
Oh.
Yeah,
cool.
you've seen those before.
Why?
You've seen.
Safe search is off. Yeah, I know.
No,
I know.
no, turn it on.
Why would
He
I
wants to
do
see
that?
titties.
Okay, because there's a lot of
Well,
I'm
porn.
not gonna
I
miss
don't
out on
know.
a chance to see zoinkers,
There's a lot
dude. I'm gonna.
porn. when
It
you
could be a
search up
Xena.
I'm not. I don't
Kerfus.
judge.
The furry fandom exists, unfortunately.
Okay, there's like no actual fucking zoinkers on here. I'm only seeing slightly erotic drawings. This is very disappointing.
Dang it!
Don't they know who I am?
Don't
Don't
they
they know who's here right
Don't
now?
they know who they're talking to?
Don't you know who you're showing these images to?
Oh my goodness.
That's the best one I found, but that's not even that good.
I need two.
And I'd fuck the no.
You'd fuck the
no,
huh?
No. Stop.
You'd huh the huh?
Stop.
The what huh?
I just say shit, man. I wanted to conclude my story though. I just want to say one final thing about the computer. My Windows license wasn't activated. Normally I use troubleshoot, use the same computer. This time could not do that. So I bought one of those cheap ass fucking $10 Windows keys. And at first it didn't work, and I was thought I just spent $10 on a string of letters and numbers. But turns out it was a Windows 11 key, so I had to upgrade to Windows 11, install the key, then downgrade back to Windows 10, which I'm very confused why that worked. It doesn't feel like that should have worked.
I hate Windows 11. I hope I. You know, you can actually pay like when support ends for Windows 10, you can pay a subscription to keep on receiving updates that they like make for you.
I would consider doing that, but
Yeah.
depends how much it costs. If I have to
I
pay
think
like
it's like $30
entire Windows
a month
license.
or something. I
How
don't know.
much?
that feels a little too expensive. Nah, that's way
30?
too
Is
expensive.
it? I don't know. It's something. It's for like
Nah, yeah,
Yes.
bro, $30
$30 a
month?
Think about it,
$30 $30 a month is it's for
just for the luxury of using Windows 10.
It's
like,
for
not like it's
businesses.
not
No, you can
you're
still
not
use
like
it, it's just
using
you
it
don't
for
get updates.
It's
Yeah.
not, like you can still
Yeah,
use
like-
Windows 10.
You can still use it.
I mean, like effective use, you know?
Yeah, it's still
Like,
effective
yeah,
use. The
yeah,
only
yeah,
thing you
yeah,
don't
I'm
get.
Yeah, but it's also like
is,
I'm
like,
not
virus
accessing public
protection.
networks. I'm not downloading stuff off of like Steam Unlocked.
Yeah. Although, you know, like it does restrict your freedom. But you can pay for like it's for businesses. It's a thing for businesses who don't want to upgrade, don't want to update their entire system to the newest version. Yeah, they just pay
So
for
it's their
updates.
fault that everyone's still on fucking Windows XP at my school or some shit.
Yeah, basically kind
Yeah.
of. No, schools just don't
I
give a
love
shit.
that.
Some schools.
You see, you have to go onto this application. And then it takes like fucking 5 hours to
Yeah.
launch Chrome.
God, I love using Microsoft Access, the best software in existence that always saves my work.
Dude, I hate Microsoft so much.
Oh, yes, me
It's
too.
I had to restart my computer so many times, and each time it was such a pain getting everything back to how it was. Like,
I don't think
dude,
that's
there's so
Microsoft's
many-
fault.
Well, yeah, X, they make such a shit fucking
Onboarding.
why is sticky keys on? Why is sticky keys on?
Just turn it
Like,
off.
Shift spamming. I did.
Good.
But why is it on by default?
Because,
Why?
yeah, to be honest, I
Who's
don't know
using
why it's
that?
on by default.
Yeah, I don't even know why it's a
Like,
thing.
what the fuck?
I don't think.
know why it's
Point
a
me
thing.
to a
Who's
person
spamming
who
shift
says
to
they
use
use.
sticky keys.
Okay, but I mean, I feel
Point
like
me to point me
okay,
to a
what
person who
else, though?
uses sticky keys, and I'll show you a liar. Okay.
Who's spamming shift? Gamers, Sam. Gamers are spamming shift.
No, but I mean, what
Yeah, but-
else? Because I mean, sticky keys. I mean, sure, but I mean, it doesn't seem like a lot of effort.
It's
Well, yeah, okay.
What does it do?
First of all,
Like,
I had to
what?
disable all the dumb shit like weather and app shit. I hate doing. I
Oh,
just
yeah,
hate
like
how
the
it's on
news
by.
and-
But
yeah, I mean,
yeah, I can understand why having like news, no, not news, having like weather on by default's like whatever. Okay, if you're gonna tell me the
I mean,
weather,
you should
I
turn it
understand.
off anyways, because it leads to because it'll like occasionally to like memory leaks, like surprisingly
Yeah,
often,
okay.
anyways.
I'm gonna send you a
And the-
website that I like to use whenever I have Windows. It might fix some of your issues.
And then news, I had to fucking disable that shit. And then reinstalling everything and having to go
well,
through.
that's not
like,
Windows
oh, I
at all.
love it. I love it. I love it. No. I love when you're downloading Chrome and they're like, "Are you sure you want to
Yeah,
download
yeah,
Chrome?
yeah.
You know, Edge is really, really good now. We made it really good recently. We stopped having the data leaks mostly, so it's like so
Also,
cool to use.
literally
you know?
like yesterday or the day before. Okay, well, first for some reason, PDFs sometimes open in Edge for some reason. But
yeah,
second,
no, they
second,
always do.
No,
It's so
no.
annoying.
So I've got since for my school I've got Adobe, and so I've got Adobe Acrobat. So it should be opening in Chrome with the extension that I didn't give it consent to install. But it's for some reason sometimes it just installs or it opens in Edge. But another thing, like 2 days ago, I did the thing and it opened Edge, and then for some reason Honey was installed. I haven't
What?
logged into to the Edge at all, but Honey is there. I don't have Honey on Chrome anyway. I've never used Honey because it doesn't work in any like New Zealand stores.
It works on
Wait,
Amazon.
What is this? What is it?
Yeah,
No, okay, well, I'm
that's
not
not
going
a
to be
New
restarting my
Zealand
PC
store.
anymore.
No,
I
no,
restart
it's
menu
not
for
for
Windows.
restarting PC. It's just okay. So you know how when you press the Windows button on Windows 10, and it
Yeah.
for some reason it takes a really long time to just open a search menu, and when you want to search
Oh,
for
dangerous side. What are you doing?
I know,
mate?
I
Does it?
know. When you okay, when you press the Windows 10 button, what I always noticed was that if I tried to search anything, like search for a specific file, it wouldn't show me. It would only show me like app shortcuts or like I couldn't search for a specific file. I used this site that I just sent Alex. It's called Start Is Back. You can set it. Basically it allows you to set your Windows UI like back to any other version of the Windows UI that's ever existed, like XP, Windows 7. I have mine set to Windows 7. And whenever I search for stuff, I can actually search for individual files on my computer if I know what their name is, which is really useful for like searching for like.
I
I
haven't
thought I could already
encountered.
do
No,
that.
you ca-
Yeah,
you
I was gonna say
you
it
can't.
really does
I
that.
thought I could
What?
already do
The
that.
most
no,
the most
okay,
I've
I
had
wonder-
is maybe if I go percentage app data and then it autofills and then I go okay, let me press enter and then it just searches up on Edge instead of actually doing it.
Yeah, okay, that
No,
one's annoying.
That's
no,
like the
yeah,
only
like it
problem I've
removes
ever
that
had.
entirely. It removes that entirely, and also you don't have to like search for this. You don't have to use like case specific, like
Uh,
Well, no, that's just for app. That's just for app data. It's because
For
it's a hidden.
Yeah, I
folder.
can search JPEGs and shit in my files.
Yeah,
like,
I
using
can.
the
yeah.
Windows search.
I think
Anyway,
it's just
I-
a you problem.
I would still use. I would still absolutely use Start As Back. I know it looks like it says oh dangerous start, but yeah, I don't
I
know.
don't
I
think
just
I can even open the
Yeah, I feel
fucking
like it's just
website,
be.
so I don't know how
I
to-
mean, is it like a program is it a startup program or does it edit the
No.
Windows 10 files?
what I have no
Where do
idea.
I press to get into this site? It just says
Just
dangerous
go
site. I can go through.
details, and then there's like a thing that's
Like,
underlined.
because is
for
it
that,
is
but
it like an app or like an exe that you install and then you?
it's an you install it.
launch?
I don't know. It was a
Yeah.
while ago. I installed it a
Because
while
I
ago,
don't know,
but I
it could
haven't
just
had
be
any
like
problems
extra
with it
fucking
at all.
bloatware. I
The,
don't know.
no, I have had no problem. In fact, I've had less problems with Windows since I got it. What the only thing that it does that it might like off-put you is so technically when you
Drains
download it
photos from your
when you
bank
download
account.
technically
Steals
when
your
you
data. It's a
Technically,
Bitcoin
when you download it, it's a 2-month free trial, and if you
Oh
don't,
my god, it does do $20 for your
and if you
wallet.
no,
It
shush,
does.
shush, 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 shush. If you don't pay for it, all it does, literally the only thing it does is that every time you turn on your computer, it'll show you like a prompt like, oh, your free trial has expired, which you can just close instantly.
So it's like WinRAR.
And it's like WinRAR. It's what do you call it again?
I'd be fine if it.
And then the
I
second thing
don't-
it does is on like in the background of some of the UIs, it just puts like a little sad face. That's it. That's all it does. It's like a watermark, but I don't notice it at all.
Yeah, I feel like this is
I mean,
this is just
like-
like a personal preference. Like, oh, I
Yeah, it's a
want my
personal preference, but like
aesthetic
Yeah.
thing.
I just notice it. It goes a little bit faster. That's nicer.
Yeah, I mean, I've never had any problems. with it.
I always
I'm not
found
really
that the Windows
looking
10
at the
menu
performance
was
of my
just really
Windows key
clunky
button.
and overloaded.
Yeah, I don't know how.
with
Yeah, I don't know how that
information.
was awfully
Hmm?
connected to what he was.
No,
talking
'cause you were-
about.
You were talking about something about the Windows key or some crap. I don't know. What?
I was just saying. I was just saying that
The onboarding.
with sticky keys.
Yeah,
Are
you're
you
talking about
keys?
sticky
Or like
keys.
about.
Oh, yeah.
And, like, just
I don't know
how
why
it
is sticky
dictates the
keys
Windows
on by
to
default.
install.
Makes
I
no
don't know. Well,
sense.
I don't even what why it's used or like what it's for.
Yeah, like who wants like if you're gonna have, because all it does is make it so that when you press the button, it's like a toggle instead of a hold down, right? That's all it does.
Yeah. Like
So,
function
but
keys and
if you
stuff.
need that, there's usually like an in-app option for that. You know, like
We could just
toggle
use
shift.
2 hands or 2 fingers.
Yeah, you could just be a normal. I mean, yeah, like I understand why sticky keys is an option, but why is it on by why is the prompt opening
Yeah.
on by default? It's yeah.
And
And
I
when
love
when you
Windows asking if you want to use Bing AI.
when you get the sticky keys prompt, it doesn't show. It shows, like, do you want to turn it on, yes or no, but it doesn't show like do not ask again. So you just keep on getting it over and over again. It's really annoying.
Well, also, for some
I-
reason, Cortana is like automatically enabled as well, but we don't have
Yeah.
access to it in New Zealand. So it's just sort of
I don't get it
you have
anymore
to turn it
because
off
I
on the
use-
startup apps.
And there's a whole load of dumb shit, fucking bloatware. Or
I've-
just like why do I need the snip tool?
the snip
don't
tool.
I
really
use
need
the
the
snip.
snip
I
tool.
use the snip.
I
tool
use the snip tool all
almost
the
every
time.
day.
Yeah.
Maybe I should. I'll use a different the calendar. I mean, I don't think anyone's using the calendar. And why is Outlook and email automatically installed? I can understand installing them
'Cause it's
myself,
just Microsoft.
but I don't want them auto installed.
I don't
It should just be the
understand
mail app. You
Dropbox.
I can sign in with like an iCloud or Gmail or anything into the Outlook's mail app.
I don't like Dropbox.
I don't use it, but
Exactly. Then why? I don't want it. I uninstall it.
It's just
Gone.
features, It's just like for
yeah, I mean,
people who don't
once
know how to
again,
use
we're
computers.
gamers. We're the gamers of the youth. We're not
Well,
70-year-old
not that. It's just
businessmen.
like we've grown up with this stuff, so we know what we like and don't like. Whereas new people would be like, "Oh yeah, I would actually find a use in the mail." Shut up, jeez. I would actually find a use in the mail app or something like that. They'd be like, "Oh, there's a mail app on here. Yeah, that's probably useful for me." That's for new users, but we know how to
This is
use
so
computers,
sad.
so
Yeah, listen. All I know is that it's better than Mac OS, because that is a miserable
Mac.
experience.
fucking hate Mac.
Some people like Mac OS.
Yeah, and
Some people like Mac OS.
unfortunately, I'm not one of those people. I have to be I've had to change the command and control buttons around, so you can Alt Tab, but so to Alt Tab on Mac OS, you have to do Command Tab. But I've switched Command and Control around, and because for some reason all the command features, or like the control features are moved to command, and all the command features moved to control, except for
They have
Alt
like a-
Tab, which
they have a
doesn't
whole
use Alt
extra button.
anyways. So to Alt Tab, I have to do Control Tab. So I do that a
Hmm.
lot, when I'm in class, and then when I come home, I'll try to Control Tab to Alt Tab, and I'll just if I'm on
Yeah.
Chrome, it'll just switch to a different tab.
Tab. Yeah.
Like it'll go from
Yeah.
YouTube to something like Reddit or something, whatever I have open.
I hate the keyboard layout on Mac. It's just terrible. Like there's you know how the control key is usually below the shift key on any other keyboard in the world?
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, it
No,
is.
on an Apple MacBook. You
Oh,
get a
well, I'm using it
below
just
the
to Magic keyboard.
below the
whatever fuck
shift
they're called.
key, below the shift key, there's like this button that has like like it has like a globe wireframe logo on it, something like that.
Yeah.
Whenever you press it, it opens the fucking emoji menu.
Sure.
I love the
Gotta get
emoji.
this
I love the
emoji.
emoji menu.
So every
I
time
love the emoji
it opens
menu.
Yeah, I
this
mean,
menu with,
I
and the
feel- yeah,
only way to
I think
close
that's
it,
just-
the only way to close it is by either pressing that button again or clicking the little X on it, and it's like. I go to like control C, control V, and I end up opening the emoji menu. It's like, what?
Yeah, I think
Why
that's
do I need
just
this?
Apple being stupid with their laptop.
Where is their command key? Where is their control key? I know where the command key is. Where's the control
on the
key?
like normal full-size keyboard, it's where it should be. But
Yeah.
instead of having a Windows key, they've just got Control, Alt, and Command now.
They don't have FN either, but they have FN
No, they do.
keys.
They have the function key on a full
They-
Magic keyboard or whatever.
On the laptop, they have function keys, but they don't have the function key.
I don't think you even need the function key for the laptop.
You
though.
do. You do if you're going to use different
I
programs.
don't think so.
Yeah. No, I'm not talking about the one with the like the haptic.
Oh yeah, no, because
glass
normally
top
they
bar.
just because they're bound to like brightness and
Yeah.
whatever. They're like
Exactly.
system command, volume.
You do need the function key.
So I have not. I think the last time we used an Apple laptop was 2014 or something. No, 2016.
I don't like how different Apple tries to be in regards to stuff like keyboards or mice. It's like, can you just do the same
fucking
thing?
mouse with the little
Dude,
thing
oh,
at the chime on the bottom.
Oh no!
Oh,
even
the
like the
Apple
mouse, it has
mouse.
like it doesn't have individual buttons. It's just one big like
That's
smooth
right. It's one big
thing.
fucking blob.
I couldn't
Oh
even
my
tell where the
God.
scroll wheel
Round
was.
I was trying to help my mum with something on her Mac. I was like, oh, let me try to do it. And I was like, how the fuck do you right click on this thing? And it's just like, what is
Don't you have to click
this?
both?
I hate it.
Or something?
Huh?
I don't know.
They're innovative.
It was the
They're
worst.
forward thinking.
It was literally the worst design decision they ever made. Charging port on the bottom, really
Yeah.
like unergonomic to the point where people got hand cramps trying to use it, and people made aftermarket products that would actually raise your hand up.
Yeah.
Because you know how usually
Well, no,
mice
people
have like
even
a
like
hump.
just modded their mouse as well,
Exactly.
instead of just buying some cheap one off of like Teemu or something.
Or any other mouse.
Yeah, literally any
Yeah.
other mouse would
I-
probably work.
I
Some,
remember
like, shitty HP one
vividly-
would work.
I remember vividly. I had the choice between an Apple Magic Mouse and this tiny little. Have you ever seen a keychain mouse?
No, but I can imagine.
It's
Oh, the fucking no! I know the name of this thing. The cat mouse. The thing that the fucking it's a wireframe. Like
no,
like
not
it's
that.
Actually, like it's tiny.
Not that. Not
Hold on,
that.
No, I gotta find this mouse though. I used to use it.
It's-
I want to see it again.
It's
But
essentially
keep talking.
like it's literally like it's got two buttons, and the buttons are like square buttons that you like not click, not like mouse left click right click. It's like buttons, and
So,
you
like, side
hold it
buttons.
like you're holding like a pill. And I had and the thing that connects it to the computer, it's wired, and it has how have you ever seen like a dog lead where it extends, like it just like when you
Yeah.
pull it extends like a seatbelt or something.
Yeah.
It's like that. That is where the
Mad
USB
Cat
comes out,
mouse.
like that. And I had the choice
Mad
between a
Cat.
Magic Mouse and one of those, and I picked that because it was like I hate the
Honestly,
Magic
I
Mouse so
probably
much.
would as well. To be
Yeah.
completely honest with you.
Yeah,
No, Zephyr, have you seen Mad Cat mouses before?
Mad Cat Man. Let me search it up.
Search up Mad Cats. No, it's Mad Cats with a Z. Oh
Mad-
no, is it Mad? No, it's Mad Cats with a C. So CATZ. Search up Mad Cats, but this shit is fucking cut.
Mad Cat.
It's an interesting idea, but I've used one in real life. It feels like the mouse equivalent of wearing a bikini. Like it doesn't feel right. It's like
Ew, ew, ew. What the fuck?
Brother,
Brother, ew, what is this? What? What am I looking at? This looks like someone tried to get Gamer Mouse. Gamer Mouse.
exactly.
Fucking what? What am I looking at? It looks like it would like
I
fall
love these
apart
fucking
like a
things.
Lego set if I dropped it.
while using, there are some of them
Oh.
like, so some of them are more full, some of them are like actually the bare bones, and it feels like you're moving the mouse with the most awkward parts of you. Like, imagine moving the mouse but only with the middle part of your palm.
This
Like,
is like
what the
something I'd
fuck?
see in like
Like-
Tron. This is how I feel. This is how like I imagined like glorious mouses because they've got so many holes in them. But like this is like this is
That's for a
not
different reason,
functional.
bro.
Yeah,
This is what
this is
people in like the 1950s would imagine the
The
future
future would
of
like-
like
yeah.
navigating computers would be like.
Which
This is something that's dreamt up in a cartoon or like an anime. This looks like it belongs to Neon Genesis.
Like you could like yeah like okay the thing I'm looking at right now I could literally see like a face in it. Like I'm sorry like there's sunglasses right there.
Do you guys remember those mice that like it was a big? I think it was like a fad with vertical mice. Or,
No.
like,
wait there were
It was a
Vertical mice?
look at me.
No,
you know
but-
the mice that were like you held them like this. This.
The ones that were like,
yeah
oh,
yeah,
no, I know what
the
you're
vertical-
talking
Yeah.
vertical
about.
mouse.
Those I remember that
To
was
be
like
fair,
a
though,
thing.
those aren't gaming mice. Those are like work mice.
Yeah,
I
those are-
actually know someone who uses them.
I know. Apparently they're pretty good for. Also, we're timed.
We are?
Yeah, we're timed.
Yeah.
It's
45
been
minutes
45
already?
minutes.
We spent like 15 minutes talking about your model, and then we spent 10 minutes doing extra stuff, and then we spent like half an hour on fucking Windows 10.
Hey, but that's
That
content.
doesn't
We were
feel great.
we were talking. We weren't being silent or having like awkward silence.
Bad episode.
No, good episode. I want to go play Voices of the Void now.
Okay, goodbye.
No.
Dude,
Wait, are we ending? Are we
bye.
ending our recording?
Yeah, goodbye. Yeah, we're
Okay.
done.
Okay,
We're done. Okay.